Hi everyone, I'd love to introduce you to our new shop, the Collective Summer Fashion Store in Helsinki City Center. The shop will be open from May 16th till the end of July, and this is our brand, Upcycle with Jing. You will find both our recycled plastic bottle jewelry and silk scrunchies on display. Our summer pop-up store opens every day. Let me show you how to find us. This is the Monumental store. And over here is Louis Vuitton. Our store is located right between them, just about 20 meters walk. We are in a small space rented from Kamp Galleria, and it's home to 6 amazing Finnish local brands, including clothing, bags, jewelry, and accessories. And a lot of people visited our shop today. Here is my display. We've added some new pieces, pansy and wall earrings, inspired by the flowers in my own garden. Butterfly orchid earrings in baby pink and white. Those two colors have been especially popular. Our Flora Moon earrings are a timeless classic that many people love. And here's one of my personal favorites, the triple apple flower earrings in baby pink. In addition to jewelry, we also have silk scrunchies made from factory leftovers. You will find size M, size L, bunny, flower, and even heart-shaped ones. Some are beautifully paired with our red earrings for a fun look. And don't forget, you can get 10% off on our website and physical shops like here when you subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Collective.